Embark on a fascinating journey through a virtual tour of modern urban habitats, where bustling cities with their towering skyscrapers and vibrant street life transition seamlessly into serene suburban landscapes filled with tree-lined streets and cozy homes. Delve into the captivating story of the universe's formation, exploring ancient habitats of early Earth alongside today's developed environments. Marvel at the natural wonders of the world, from majestic mountains to pristine oceans, and imagine living conditions without the convenience of modern technology, where survival depended on human ingenuity and a deep connection with nature's rhythms. This visual odyssey weaves together the past and present, highlighting the incredible diversity of habitats that make up our world.